Welcome all, here Alpana for Annie 24. Lions Club of Silchar Valley View had observed the prestigious Kargil Vijay Diwas with pride and honor. A team led by Club Valley View President Bandita Trivedi Roy had attended the Kargil Vijay Smarak at Tarapur and paid floral tributes on the martyrs' tomb there. Moreover, the club members had assembled and highlighted the bravery of the Kargil martyrs of 1999 who sacrificed their lives for the sake of motherland. Pakistan could not resist the counter-attack by our brave soldiers who achieved glory for India. Other dignitaries present were Project Chairperson Shubir De, Minara Lashkar, Pushpavati Roy and Guardian Lion Sanjeev Roy. For more news and updates, follow us on Facebook, YouTube and subscribe our channel Annie 24.
ভারতবর্ষে আজকে দিলে আমরা আমাদের সেই শহীদদেরকে গর্ববোধ করি যারা প্রাণের আহুতি দিয়ে আজকে কার্গিল দখল থেকে আমাদেরকে রক্ষা করেছিলেন।